Key in the ignition, foot on the pedal and accelerate, into the room, turn on the blower and heat. Check in, take off and see the world. The mechanics of the brain are rapid and daily habits are fast, unconscious even, because at each step we encounter, without realizing, mechanical engineering. With the skill of the engineers who built much more than a combustion engine, they built the machines that today can almost be considered extensions of the human body. They are the engines that move the world. Give me a lever long enough and a place to stand and I will move the world. The words are of Archimedes, and the impulse of energy and movement coincide with his hydrostatic findings. The man who shouted "Eureka" became known as one of the masters of the speciality. Centuries later, it was the pragmatic Leonardo da Vinci who joined the podium. He put into practice so much scientific theory at the service of mechanical engineering. The world vibrated with new limits. It advanced towards industry. In 1679, the French physicist Denis Papin presented his invention, Papin's cooking pot, using water vapor, which later gave rise to the steam engine, the glory of mechanical engineering, and the greatest step in the Industrial Revolution. On the path of economic progress, the steam locomotive was a milestone and set new parameters to ensure that the engine would never stop growing. Versatile, hard-working, invisible. Characteristics that define us, and the branch of engineering that is intensely related to other specialities. Mechanics is often the engine, metaphorically speaking, that allows other engineers to perform their projects. To our profile, we can also add, therefore, cooperation, insight, and creativity. If until now the word mechanic seemed a bit low gear, add engineering and you'll discover the profession that transforms energy into motion. The concern of our service is a mechanical system consisting of physical elements, the result of human research or pure nature. As a general rule, it arises from an elementary need in our lives, and it is always built on the basic concept of functionality that is so well established it is unlikely to be rendered obsolete. Examples: a fridge, a lift, a wind generator, a roller coaster. Countless inventions that could be included in the same list of good ideas as the wheel. Yes, because they have greatly altered our concept of quality of life. It is on this platform that our work stands. Designing the strategy, testing the effectiveness, executing the solution, then finding something more efficient, quicker, and more economical. Until that time, we are the professionals who investigate conventional and renewable energies, design components, develop thermal systems. And we are present at all stages, collaborating in manufacturing, assembly, inspection, maintenance, and operation. We are that closer look in the guarantee of quality. Ultimately, our involvement includes the management and coordination of all activities, from marketing and selling to the end user. Our activity involves 4 core areas: production, transportation and distribution of energy, production of transport and handling vehicles, robotics and automation, energy use and air conditioning, mechanical components and equipment. 4 core areas, 1 quick response. It is impossible to think of a mechanical project without a vast knowledge of materials, and that includes fields such as the environment, biomedicine, mathematics, thermodynamics and fluids, and design. The Portuguese Engineers Association makes every effort to ensure that the solid goals of rigor and quality in higher education are met, and the training is renewed and adapted to the latest demands of society through a commitment to continuous training. Great challenges are reserved for students of this subject. Automated assembly lines need to be restructured. Machines need to be resized and made more compatible with the planet. The solutions for the future have to be envisioned, since the future will be your workplace. You will find career opportunities in industries as divergent as electromechanics, molds, agro-food, pharmaceuticals, textiles, aircraft, and even in consultancy, research, and teaching sectors. One thing is certain, mechanical engineers have a high rate of employability, and according to figures from the Bank of Portugal, are among the best paid professionals in the country. Think alone, act together. The opportunities are limited only by our imagination, and here we consider ourselves methodical thinkers, where a mix of logic and deduction is more agile than a machine itself. For this reason, we will never reach saturation point. We invent something new instead. We seek to enhance details, quench curiosity. We expand the job market because research will never end, only generate further research, mirroring the drive of mankind. Today we have a commitment with the environment and with the safety of society, and comfortable with this brief, we enjoy without pressure more and better quality of life. Because apart from anything else, we deserve it. After all, we share with everyone the energy of motion.